Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting what came loose: the slider, the teeth alignment, and the fabric tape. Use pliers to gently pinch or open the old stop if needed, and unthread any catching fabric. Once done, remove debris and apply a tiny amount of lubricant so the slider will move smoothly. Make sure to position the garment flat with the zipper fully separated, and hold each side steady because accurate alignment now prevents problems later. You now realign the teeth by meshing them starting a few inches above the gap so they naturally pair. Hold the two sides parallel and guide the lower edges into the open end of the slider. If a loose stop is gone, use a pin to keep the tape separated until the slider grips. Once the slider bites, pull slowly and check engagement every half inch, and if it's loose, make micro adjustments with pliers to close the slider slightly and improve grip. Finish by installing a new stop or crimping one in place so the slider cannot pop off. You can sew a sturdy bar tack as backup. Test the zipper through its full range several times, reapplying lubricant and trimming stray threads that catch. If the slider continues to slip or damage recurs, swap to a replacement slider or replace the whole zipper. Make sure you test the replacement before stitching final seams so you avoid undoing work later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.